Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I had bought this a long time ago, and this is the only time that I can do this review, also the unboxing, and it's called the Glitter Snowflakes hand soap sleeve from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so before we look into deep into the product, so let's look into the pictures and also details. So this is from Amazon. I can't find in the local Bath and Body Works official site, but just this will be fine, I guess. Okay, the description. Okay, like that. Okay, let's look into the product itself. Oh, I think maybe I should just bring it in front. Okay, this. Okay, and how does it works? You just put on this, the hand soap, just put inside. Ta-da! Done. So it looks like that. Okay, alright. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.